Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we'll be looking at some M90 boomboxes. Now, we've reviewed a lot of product from New Wave Toys, and these here are essentially the final versions of what we reviewed a long time ago. Well, actually, there's the mini version which we reviewed and the micro version which we haven't seen before. Now, together we'll be unboxing, trying out exactly what it's all about. So big special thanks to the good folks over at New Wave Toys for sending this over. Be sure to check out the link down below in the description for your very own. Now, let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what they're all about. So one of the absolutely mind-blowing things about this is the nostalgic value behind everything, down to the details. The box is absolutely from the original. I mean, it's something that the tape, like, it's just like the regular packing tape that you would see from the original. So let's take a look at the mini version first. It looks really cool. It says mini stereo radio, RCM90 BP, all the bells and whistles, something that I've probably seen when I was growing up as a child too. So let's open this thing up and see what's inside. Sweet. Check this out. Alright, so one of the things that I really love about the whole New Wave brand is that even down to the user manuals, you'll see it being off of the very original user manual. So you can see the details on this looks exactly like how it would have came when you bought it back in the day. So we have our service manual. We have some keys or buttons here. So I think these are add-ons for our actual radio, although they're not from the original, but this makes it a little bit easier for you as a user to control it, as they're very small. And we have, looks like a mini remote control. So this is neat. Oh, sweet. So we have a mini controller, remote controller, kind of based off the original. So this will go and plug here as a remote, and then you can control it based off of that. So it's actually functional, which is absolutely crazy. We have a USB-C cable to charge it. And then over here, we have a very tiny cassette for our cassette player. Okay, so the cassette is actually in a real miniature case, which you can take out. Obviously, this, I don't think this does anything, but even down to the stickers that you can place on them are from the original. How crazy is that? That sound. So that we'll look at in just a little bit. And let's take out our M90. Oh my God, definitely such a huge step up from the original prototype that we reviewed a long time ago. Wow, look at that. So off the back, I have to say the details are spot on. Look at this thing. Even like it's got the handle that comes out. It's finally here. So this thing looks really cool. You got these little antennas that you can open up too. There you go. To give you yourselves more nostalgic value, of course. Look at this. How crazy is that? So you have all the controls here that do work, but you can see the tuning. Look at this. It actually moves. That is cool. That actually moves back and forth. So on the back here, you do have a USB-A port, USB-C port, a micro SD card slot, so you can go ahead and put songs in there. And then in this little case cover here, just an empty slot. I'm assuming that's for our remote, which if you want to go ahead and store that, you could do that too. So that's kind of cool that they do have all these little small tidbits, or essentially like Easter eggs too. And you have a little eject button here, so press that and our cassette area opens up. We can place our little cassette in there like this, and you can actually see it inside. Oh, that is so cool. All right, let's hit the power button. So you have that retro sound. Now this thing connects via Bluetooth, so let's connect to it and see how the sound quality is. What's up everybody, welcome back to an all new episode of Conflicts. Today we'll be looking at a brand new product by New Wave Toys. This year's the all new M90 Mini. That's the absolute loudest, and it is so loud. definitely brings back a lot of nostalgic value. That is a fact. You also can plug in a remote, so I can skip back. This is so cool, and it actually works. I have mode. Run with me. Absolutely mind-blowing. Very cool stuff. Let's go ahead and take a look at our other one. So over here we have a smaller version, aka the micro version. That's kind of cool. Let's open this thing up and see how this thing will compare in terms of the mini. Oh my god, it's so much smaller. Look at that! Alright, so we do get a USB-C cable, and then we also get a user manual, and that is about it in terms of the packaging. Oh my god, so much smaller than I was expecting. This is absolutely crazy. Look at it, like literally it's a micro version, no pun intended, of the actual mini version of the actual version, which we don't have, which is probably like this big. But yes, looks really cool. And then it's even got like these little antennas. I believe that they come out too, don't they? The antennas come out. How cute. You even do that too. That is absolutely crazy. How does this sound? Let's try it out. So I'm gonna hit the power button. There's an actual dial here that you can control the volume too. What's up everybody? Welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we'll be looking at a brand new product by New Wave Toys. That's crazy! M90 Mini. It's so small, it's making so much noise. This is crazy. I control the volume from here. New Wave's Toys, you guys absolutely blew it out of the park with this one here. Probably one of the coolest pieces I've seen yet, and down to the details, you guys are a master at the game. Now, I would highly recommend, especially if you're in the market for something like this. I mean, if you're looking for something that's retro, if you're looking for something that's nostalgic, or a good quality Bluetooth speaker, both of these are absolutely crazy. I mean, like this one here can fit in your pocket, and then this one here is definitely something that is very unique, and I've never seen anything like it. Now, with that said, if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.